Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. We'll be looking at removing set items for today's lesson. Our previous lesson was on adding items, so appropriately is removing items this time, okay? Specifically, the remove method, the discard method, pop, and del. Now, let's dive into remove first. So, given the name, remove will remove the value that you give to it, okay? So I have a set over here, colors with red, yellow, blue, and purple, and I simply need to put the name of the set, dot, the name of the method that I want to use, and then passing the values that I want to remove, okay? Now, if the item does not exist, this will give you an error, okay? That makes sense. Let's move on to the next part. The discard method. Contrary to what we've seen with the remove method, this one will not return an error, okay? Now the syntax is the same with the name of the set dot preceded by the name of the method and then the value that you want to take away, which is yellow. So if colors discard yellow, it will remove yellow from the set. The same thing with the remove method where it will remove red. All right, but this one will not return an error if the value that you pass to the method does not exist within the set. Okay, now with pop. Usually with pop and other data types, with list, for example, it will remove the last item. But since sets are unordered, so obviously the interaction with these methods are a bit different, and pop will remove a randomized item because items they have random orders, so none of them is the last item. I'm passing the statement colors.pop into the variable value, and if I print value, one of these things will be removed. And anything that is not removed will be displayed in randomized order. Okay, last but not least, clear and del. Clear empties the list, del deletes it. If you make any reference to the deleted set, it will give you an error, okay? Now, clear follows the same syntax with remove and discard as well as pop. But del, you just put del colors, delete colors, and that's it. Okay, first off, we're gonna have our set of colors, yellow, pink, blue, and purple. And I'm gonna remove pink, okay? And then I'm going to print colors. Next up, I'm gonna discard yellow. Actually, I'm gonna add in one more statement. Colors remove red, all right? Oops, forgot the double quotes. And then I'm going to run this and see how Python handles, passing in a color that doesn't exist in the set. So let's see how that works. As you can see here, colors remove red, key error red. That doesn't exist. So let me just remove that since I've demonstrated it already. Because if Python sees an error, it stops at an error. It doesn't move beyond that. Next up, let's try colors discard red and see how this works. Let's run it. Okay, and it does not return an error. We can simply continue. Let me just close this real quick. And then let's work with a new colors equals to colors dot pop. And let's see which one it removes. And then print new colors. So as you can see, our latest set for colors is purple and blue. And once it popped out blue. Now let me run it again. Okay. For this time, actually pop out purple and you get blue instead. So that's the randomized property right there. Now I'm just going to delete all of this so I can work with clear and del. Colors dot clear, and then print colors. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it returns an empty set. Now I'm going to delete colors, and I'm going to print colors. So I'm making a reference to colors, and this should give us an error. Okay, name colors not defined because it's deleted. Now, thank you for watching. I hope that you will tune in for my next lesson as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Our next topic is going to be looping and joining sets like we did with list and tuples. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching once again, and goodbye.